Hello everyone, I am Gangothri, studying in first year ECE and my startup company name is Human Care and product present name is Nail Polish and product proposed name is Alcaric Nail Gel. Empathizing, mentioning some of the requirements and feelings about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. First thing like it should extend for a long time, should not disappear for few days. And second thing that it should not flow, it should flow only over the keratin and smell should be avoided and change its color according to the temperature. Defined based on the empathizing stage and considering the feeling and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name is nail polish and frustrating product name is alcaric nail gel. Ideal. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. First thing is light without smell. Second thing is like color changes according to the temperature. And third thing is should flow on over the keratin. And here in the prototype stage, the real working module has manufactured. Due to the time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing. I request the viewers of presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.